The second website that I chose is Kialo Edo, and it is about the discussions. I really like using discussions in my class. Mostly I started the class with the discussion, and then during the class I do like to include students whenever I can, and I like to hear their thoughts and opinions. What I have seen in the past is that students do not like to share their thoughts, or there is not enough time. So when we start the discussion, the class ends, and there's not everybody that can say what they think. So when I found this website, I thought it's really cool that I can use in my other business classes, in my business essentials and sports marketing. Once you log into the website, then you can make your profile, and then here is what I made the discussion about, but I'm just going to show you how to start. So you are going to click on the created discussions. You can choose if you want to do single or multiple theses. I chose only one. Then the title is going to be, for me, this will be like the difference between local and global businesses. And then the discussion thesis is going to be the same language, English, of course. And then I can add a picture. Tags would be business, and then local, and then global, and then background option, which I will not add. And then there is some advanced options that you can choose. Show authors above claims, enable voting, and enable teacher feedback that I would like to do. Some of the tasks I would like to do the vote, and then only one I will choose. So now I have made discussions. I can add students, and then in a short period of time everybody can put their input, their thoughts and opinions, which I think it's a great tool for the classes that some of the students do not like to talk in the front of the class, or there is not enough time.